Hello and welcome to the Genuine Learning Blog. My name is Melissa Galasso, and I'm here today to talk to you about an appendix that has been issued related to COSO ERM. So as a reminder, COSO, the Committee of Sponsoring Organizations, has many documents that has issued over time. Probably you're most familiar with their COSO internal control framework that's used around the globe, and that was updated in 2013. Well, COSO originally issued their ERM framework in 2004, and in June of 2017, they updated it, very similar to the update they performed for COSO internal controls. And so enterprise risk management is something that is very important and has grown in importance over time. And so one of the things that the update included was incorporation or integration of strategy and performance. And so that was one of the big changes that happened in the update in 2017. Well, subsequent to that, we have now had a new issuance here of a compendium of examples. And these examples are helping people look at real life examples and how they can apply the ERM framework. Very frequently when I teach classes on risk management or on internal controls, people don't enjoy necessarily the theory. They want to see the practical application. And so COSO has gone out of their way to actually provide a compendium of examples of how you can use the COSO ERM. So it was issued last week, June 11, 2018, and it is a supplement to the Enterprise Risk Management Integrating with Strategy and Performance System. And so it is an effort to manage risk. And obviously risks have changed dramatically over the years, right? New risks have emerged. Boards and committees now have to deal with risks in a new and different way. With the advent of social media and communication, obviously lots of changes have happened, including in the areas of technology. And so COSO was aware of a lot of these changes and the importance of enterprise risk management across entities. And so they focused in on this. And so what you'll notice here is that it includes examples of applying the principles from the framework to day-to-day practices. And so this week I am out at NAT, or the Engage conference for the AICPA. NAT stands for the National Advanced Accounting and Auditing Technical Symposium. I call it Accounting Day Camp. It is a lot of fun. It gets a lot of the people from national offices, the AICPA, FASB, GASB together to talk about some of the most important issues. And ERM obviously is at that top of that concept. So when we talk about the importance of ERM, COSO obviously working pretty hard to make sure that this gets out there for practical application. So it is a case study based approach. So as the COSO says, each case study describes how a specific entity scaled and adapted the principles and set out a relationship between an organization's mission, vision, and core values, its strategic goals and directions, and the approaches used in carrying out this strategy. All right, so again, they're focusing in on examples. They provide context in particular industries. All right, so they're going to have specific examples, and so they're going to vary their industries. It's going to give background information on the particular entity that's in the example. It's going to highlight what principles were being focused on. It's going to discuss in detail how the actual organization applied those principles, because just like the internal control framework, the ERM framework is also based on a principles-based approach. And then it shows how the ERM was integrated with the business and summarizes the key benefits of using the ERM practice. And so this overhaul is designed to help companies take the ERM framework from being theory and look at the practical application of it. I think this is something a lot of people will definitely want to invest in. It is available on the COSO website, and you can kind of go from there to find, I believe there are multiple entities that cross-sell it for COSO. So this is just a quick overview this week. This has been a crazy week for me. Lots of great things going on. I've had a technical issues committee meeting, and then we've also had the NATS conference, as well as some Leadership Academy alumni reunions in Las Vegas. So crazy, crazy, crazy week for me. So short little update for the blog. I hope to see you on a future blog. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.